Hi everyone. Hi semua. Hi. Okay. Kita hari ini, today we will be doing unboxing for a comfy baby 5-in-1 Luna baby cot bundle set. This is the baby cot. Okay. Nice kan? Cantik kan? Okay. So for this package, dia datang dengan baby cot as usual, satu cot. Lepas tu dia ada memory foam mattress 4 inci, memory foam 4 inci. This one, cot dia datang dengan 1 tahun, 1 year warranty, okay? For the mattress is 3-year warranty on the dia punya ketebalan tu. Dia tak akan, dia akan kembali ke, because memory foam bila you tidur dia akan masuk, lepas tu dia akan kembalikan ke normal punya level. And then it actually comes with this Mosquito net juga satu set, okay? So today we will be doing unboxing for all this in the package, okay? You can go to our website, okay? This cot can be a cot for 1 level. Then this is the second level, also still cot, normally about 4 months or 6 months and above. Then there's the lowest level, biasa about 9 months and above, then you can use it. Then this is we call it sofa bed. Then this is another one. You can have 5 different 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different combination yang berlainan, okay? But you just need to make sure, you just need to know that this side guard is not included. Itu kena beli berasingan, okay? Okay, so of course you kena ada pisau untuk buka unboxing, okay? Sebab this one is all packed into very huge. You boleh angkat sendiri for most of the vehicle kalau you punya kereta. So this one is how to kita kena buat unboxing for this. Okay. So this is how the packaging is inside here. So most of the time biasa we have to open this. And bawah sini. Okay, it is inside the box here. Perlu guna lagi dia punya pisau untuk buka. This one is to make sure dia punya packaging, everything is in one piece. We start dengan this one. These are all the parts, okay? Nanti kita akan buka parts semua ni. Lepas tu, here. Dia ada 2 keping from the side. This one kat sini. Kena make sure dia. Okay, tengok. Dia punya side. Okay, tak termasuk kaki lagi. Not including the leg. Okay, so we put it aside here. Ini buku panduan dia, okay, macam mana untuk pasang, how to install, okay, how to assemble, okay, put it aside. This is another side. Okay, so only satu side, only one side comes with a logo, okay. So this one biasa is outside already lah, right? So, okay, both 2 sides ini. Then, this one is the other side. Let's see, okay. This one and this one, yang ini dia dengan ini berbeza sikit, you kena tahu. Sebab this one tak ada screw dekat sini. This screw and this screw. Okay, a bit different. So you have to know which one comes first and which one comes later. Okay, but this is for the side. And finally, this is the base. Base bermaksud is where you put your mattress on. Okay, so this is how all inside the box. Okay, let's see. Kita letak juga. Put it one side. Then we will see what's inside here. Okay. Ini kaki dia, 4 kaki, 4 keping, alright, and also screw dekat sini. Okay, this is unboxing of Comfy Baby Luna Baby Cot. Okay.